Tata Consultancy Services Q3 results are out and declared dividend. Let's see in detail. Revenue for Q3 financial year 2021 were 42,015 crores, which is compared with previous quarter 4.7% up, and comparing with same quarter previous year 5.4% up, and net profit of 8,701 crores, which is up by 16.4% comparing with previous quarter and 7.2% up comparing with same quarter last year on year. And earning per share is 23.19, which is 16.4% up comparing with previous quarter, and that is quarter on quarter, and 7.2% up year on year. This quarter result, that is Q3 financial 2021 results, where the thesis is mentioning like it is the strongest third quarter growth comparing with past 9 years, and its operating margin is around 26.6 percentage, and attrition rate is lowest ever with 7.6 percentage. This everything is showing a good sign. Revenue were at 42,015 crores, which is up by 4.7% quarter on quarter and 5.4% year on year. And net income is 8,701 crores. It is 3.2% quarter on quarter up and 7.3% year on year. Operating margin is 26.6, and consolidated headcount is 4,69,261. Company declared a dividend of 6 rupees with a effective date of January 16, 2021. That is a record fixed date, and the dividend will be credited to the shareholders on will be paid on February 3, 2021. CEO Rajesh Gopinath commenting that commenting on the Q3, saying that they are very much confident in continuing their strength in the order book and deal pipeline, and they are mentioning like this is one of the best performed December quarter, and their future, and also they are saying that future is good, tremendously good for excited for them due to cloud. He is commenting that his clients has a strong relationship across different ecosystems and continuously investing in the research and innovation to make the TCS as a preferred partner in the client's growth and transformation journey. This positive notes gives a strong confidence on TCS for their shareholders. TCS is one of the biggest private company in India, and we can say without a second thought that is TCS is a gem for Indian industry, and it has over 50 years of journey, offering consultants cognitive powered integrated portfolio of business technology engineering services solutions, and it's delivered through unique location independent agile delivery model. TCS is part of Tata Group and has more than 4,69,000 of employees, well trained consultant over 46 countries, and it consolidated revenue of $22 billion in the financial year ended March 31, 2020, and it listed in BSE and NSE. On the result declaration day, TCS are up by 90 points. If you compare with the during the corona pandemic time, the TCS were trading around a low of 1,500 rupees. So whoever purchased during that lower, now they are sitting with a 100% profit, and in long term they can hold. I am not a SEBI registered advisor. Please check with your advisor before investing in TCS or any stocks.